Hey Kalika, your office looks lovely.
Thank you so much, Saira. I just renovated it recently.
It looks amazing. Renovations like this must require some funding. How did you manage?
A few years ago, I started investing in small cap funds.
Small cap funds? What are those exactly?
Small cap funds are mutual funds that invest in smaller companies, generally ranked 251st and beyond by market capitalization. These companies have growth potential, which could lead to risk adjusted returns.
That sounds really smart. I should look into it too.
Definitely. Just make sure to do your research and assess your risk appetite. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.